Buju, Wago Shindagu, Migazi and Dodame, Minawa, Gaza Gasquaji Makog, and Dunjaba. Abeding.
Abeding.
Giajawag. Iwidi. Zibing. Jimawadishiwe. Wad. All right. Abeding. Giajawag. Iwidi. Zibing. Je. Mawadishiwe. Wad. All right. Ginatum. Here we go, Roxanne.
One time they went over there preparing to visit. I don't know what zebing is.
Oh yeah, I didn't give you that word. Over there to the river.
To the river. I thought, okay, to visit. Was G like in preparation or no? No.
Yeah, Jim means like to so that or in order to.
Oh, in order to, okay.
Yeah. So it gets you this one right here. English is so weird. Like the word to is in there a couple times because there's to the river. And that's the locative that comes at the end here of zeebing. And then there's in order to visit. That's the red one. Owa. Giayawag. Nibawa. Giguyag. Minawa. Mikinakwag. Minawa. Amikwag. All right. Oh yeah, maybe we should throw one more word in there just for fun. Odomino. Wad. All right. See now, I threw a couple nouns in there you might not know, and the word odomino means to play. All right. See what you can make of this latte.
Oh, wow. Or wait, no, that's in Ojibwe. Wow. Yeah. They dwell there.
Yeah, like there were.
There were.
Nibawa.
There were many fish and snapping turtles and beavers. They played there.
Yeah. Yeah, as they were playing or playing. Yeah, wow, there were many fish and turtles and beavers playing. No. What? Giekado Bejik. Amik. Ahau. Be. Odaminon. All right, Giekado Bejik Amik. Ahau. Be. Odaminon. Ginatum. Chad.
One beaver said,
Ahau is like, okay.
okay,
Bit odaminon. So if odamino means to play.
not come play. It's
It is.
Is it? Okay.
Just a command. Come play.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bit means come and do it. So like ija or bit ija. Yeah. So you can put the bit on other things too. Okay, come play. Gise gizi. Dush. Oh. Gog. Gise gizi dush. Oh, gog. Gawin. Apane. Bagizosi. Bagizo. Is that word on your list?
Yeah.
Okay. Gizegezi dasha al ga gawin apane bagizosi. All right. Ginatum. Agi.
Gog. Wait, Z dash. But is it saying like, but that
Yeah.
Porcupine was scared? He always Bazigui is to get up from sitting. That's the word I was thinking.
Oh, buzzigui is to get up, but bugizo
Is to stay
is
sitting.
to swim.
Is to swim. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if that word was on your
No,
list.
Bazigui was. So that's
Oh, yeah.
why I just was like, yeah, that's on our. Oh wait, no, Bazigui. Or he doesn't ever swim.
Yeah, he didn't always swim.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Apane is like always.
Yeah. I was like,
Yeah, but that porcupine was scared. He didn't always swim.
God is it?
Gego. Awikin. Baka akwe. Ikido. Oh, Mick. All right. Gego awikin baka akwe gi ikido awa Mick. All right. Ginatum. Marla.
Don't wake up the chicken. The beaver said.
Yeah, it's very close. Awi is just to be someone like Anishinaabe and Dao. So it's like, don't be a chicken.
yeah.
Oh.
Said that beaver. Gibugis en dasogijik. Gabegijik. Ayayan. Nevin. Gawin nin. All right. Gibugis en dasogijik. Gabegijik. Ayayan. Nebing. Gawin nin. All right. Ginatum. Mariah. Give Buggies. So Buggies is right here to swim.
Swim every day.
Yeah, who swims every day? Give Buggies.
You?
Yeah, you. You swim every day. Gabegijik. All day. Ayayan Nibing. What's Ayayan?
To be somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah. Being in the Nibi.
Water.
Water, yeah. Gawi Nin.
Not me.
Not me. Nashke. Giekedoa. A Mick. Geda Aquandawe. Mittigung. Yeah, Akawe. Momunio. Momunio. Neab. All right. Nashke Ikido, our Mick. Geda Aquandawe, Mittigung, Akawe, Momunio Neab. All right. Yeah, there are a couple of different words for this, but a Neab will do the trick. All right. Who haven't I been picking on lately? Justin, Dinatam.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, so in Nushke, I don't know if I gave you that word. Did I? That just means look, behold. Yeah.
Okay, of course.
Behold, di ikido, au, a mick.
The beavers said.
Yeah, it's like that beaver.
You can, could, or should.
Yeah. You can a quandaway.
I forget. Can I see it again?
Yeah. Sorry, put it on split page. Let's go like this.
Climb.
Yes, you can climb. A mitig
Oh, tree.
tree, yeah.
Let's go.
And ukaway just means first. And then mamoon means grab it. Grab that rope. Yeah, so I just had to throw that in there so this will all make sense for your little story. Way weeb. You want the way out, Gog. Ogi. Kogwe. I'm gonna throw something else in there just so it makes sense. Dave Bibi. Doing. Nayab. Gega. Bungishing. All right. So a couple of words that you haven't had, but that's all right. I'll help you through those parts. Who wants to take this one on? Dina Tum, Chad? Chad said he wanted a challenge.
I didn't volunteer. No. All right. So that's climb.
Yep.
Cog is porcupine, right? So that porcupine
Way weave. Anyone know what that is?
climb
Quick. Yeah.
Oh,
quick.
yeah.
That's
Kind of
well,
climb.
this is relatively quick for a porcupine. Okay. So that porky quickly climbed, right? And then I'll have to give you the next part. He tried to grab the rope. Yep. Gaga almost bungishing.
L.
Almost falling, yeah. Taya height. Giwe bezo. Wagajayi. Ziebing. I'm gonna give you this one. Oh yeah, I've got to do a Taya height.
Damn.
Good golly, Josh. He swung out over the river. Gipungashin. Ziebing. Minawa. Kisegiziwag. Gokina. Away siyug. Away siyug. All right, Comus, here we go. Gipungashin. Ziebing. Got this word bungashin? right here. Gi pungishin, what would that mean? Falling, yep. He fell in the river, yes. Minoa, and Gisegiziwug. What's Zagizi?
You just had that.
We did, yeah. Might be one of the last words on your list, I think. Can't remember. Phoning a friend, what's Zagizi?
Scared.
Scared or afraid, okay. And he fell in the river and?
And was scared.
Who was scared? What's wug?
They.
They, yes. Yeah. So Gakina is all. Away siag? All the animals
We're scared.
were scared. Gichi Boppy.
Oh, hi.
All Gog. Niminowanagos. Kiddo. All right. See what's going on here. Gichi Boppy. All Gog. Roxanne. Niminowanagos. Kiddo.
That porcupine, he laughed hard. I'm having fun, he said.
Yep. What? Kabeg Ejik. Gimamawi. Minawanagosi wug. Bing. All right. Mamawi means all together. All together. All right. You want to try this one, Augie? Kabeg Ejik Mamawi Minawanagosi wug Bing.
Okay, all day, everyone was having fun all together in the river.
Ani onagoshing. Giekido. Gog. Taya. Ingiwanenamag. Nini Janasug. Iwidi. Magwayak. Anyone remember Onabushing in the evening? So we'll do this one together. Along towards evening, Giikidogog, the porcupine said, Crikey. My kids in the forest. There you go. Since they're neglectful parents, those porcupines. There you go. All right, that's what we got time for right there. Good job on your speeches, everybody. Miigwech, have a wonderful weekend. Minawanago Zig. Don't forget your kids in the forest. See you all on Monday. We'll get you ready for your final.
Miigwech for watching today. I'm Anton Troyer.